So my husband's been watching my videos and he wants me to make him a protein coffee this morning. So this is what I thought of. We got the caramel fudge waffle cone skinny syrup. We have the chocolate peanut butter premier protein. Hold on. We have the PB Fit peanut butter powder and some cold brew. He likes chocolate, he likes peanut butter, so let's try this out. Ooh.
What's that chocolate milk? Okay. Right. Yeah.
1 tablespoon. I'll do one more. 2 tablespoons. Oh, that's a big one. He likes peanut butter though, so okay. Good job. Some ice. All right. Should we go have him taste it?
Yeah.
All right.
But it's